Welcome back. What we want to now do is we want to set an automation rule. And what we want to do is to add a rule to this page. What we want to do is we want a trigger to happen. And the trigger is going to be based on this specific page. Now you may have seen that we have automation rules that are general and site-wide. That is not the case. This automation rule is strictly based on this funnel. So what we want to do is we want to set a trigger in motion when this funnel form step is subscribed. And so what we've said is that when the individual comes to this funnel and they go through this funnel step, we then want to set an action. What we want to happen is we want to enroll that individual in a course. What we now want to do is we want to choose the course that we want the individual to be enrolled in, and we're going to choose the course that we just created. And what we've now done is we've now made it so that when the individual submits that form, they will then be given access to enroll in our course. We now want to click Save Rule. And so we now have our rule in place. What we can now do is we can now go to the thank you page and customize it. And what we basically want to do is to communicate to the individual that has submitted the form what's now going to happen. And we want to do that on the thank you or download page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.